Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss some important question related to Security and Exchange Board of India and capital market. The first question is, what are the main function of SEBI? A option is to protect the interest of investors in securities. B option is to promote the development of securities market. C option is to regulate securities market. D option is all of the above. If you have watched the previous video that was about SEBI, then you can answer this question very easily. So the correct answer here is all of the above. Second question is, SEBI in respect of certain matters has some powers. A. As are vested in a civil court under Code of Civil Procedure. B. As are vested in a criminal court under Criminal Procedure Code. C. As the company law board. D. None. So if you have read the book and if you have watched the previous video, then I have discussed it as a question at the end. So A is the answer. As are vested in a civil court under Code of Civil Procedure. Okay, next is, one of the following categories of investors need not obtain a certificate of registration from SEBI to buy or sell or deal in securities. A option is stockbroker, B is portfolio manager, C is investment advisor, D is retail investor. So the correct option is D. Retail investor need not obtain a certificate of registration from SEBI. Fourth option is, the ownership, management and trading functions of a stock exchange are clearly segregated in respect of A is demutualized exchange, B is corporatized exchange, C is any stock exchange, D is none. So we have read in previous video that demutualized exchange has this feature. So let's come to the next question. Here are the next set of questions. The issue of new securities to existing shareholders as at a ratio to those already held is known as A is rights issue, B is bonus issue, C is preference issue, D is none of the above. So the correct answer here is A, that is rights issue or rights share. Sixth question is, initial public offering. IPO means that unlisted company makes to public for the first time. A option is a fresh issue of securities, B is offers its existing securities for sale, C is both, D is none. So option is A. A fresh issue of securities is known as IPO. Seventh question is, as per SEBI guidelines in a book building process, the cap in price band is A is should be at least 10% of floor price, B is should be more than 20% of the floor price, C is no limits, D is none. So the correct answer here is B. It should be more than 20% of the floor price. Eighth question, retail individual investors means an investor who applies or bids. A option is for securities less than equal to 1 lakh, B is for securities of face value less than equal to 1 lakh, C is for securities of 1000 units, D is none. So the correct choice here is A, that is for securities less than equal to rupees 1 lakh. Next, ninth question is, as per SEBI guidelines, safety net arrangements can be made available only to. So here options are all original residents, individual allottees limited up to a maximum of 1000 share per allottee, all original allottees limited to a maximum of 1000 share per allottee, all shareholders limited up to a maximum of 1000 shares per shareholder, D is none. So the answer is all original resident individual allottees limited up to a maximum of 1000 per share. Now two questions are, red herring prospectus is a prospectus. I will tell you the answer. It does not have details of either price or number of shares being offered or the amount of issue. Last question is ASBA. Under ASBA facility, investors can apply in any public or rights issue by using which of the following? A is the bank account, B is demand draft, C is check, D is cash. So we very well know about this, that is using their bank account. Thank you.